Welcome to the second exterior module. Let's start by setting up the camera. Here's the scene with the house model. We have the building layer with the glass on a separate layer. We have populated interiors with assets. I skipped this part of the lesson as it's very easy but quite a long process. I will go to render settings and adjust the aspect ratio. I will go with a 1.6:1 ratio for this shot. Let's turn on the save frames. I will make the perspective wider and try to set up the view in the perspective mode. Then just click here to create a corner camera from the viewport. Here it is. We're in the camera view. I will turn on the image comp helper script and set it to the golden spiral rule. The focus of the image should be at the end of the spiral. Let's move the camera to a 120 cm level. Next, go to the settings and turn on the automatic vertical tilt option. Let's select the target and position it so the focus point is on the balcony area. Then let's adjust the camera position. Go back to the target and adjust the focus again. I will make the focal length wider. I will start with 20 so the building is more dynamic. Since it's a wider shot, we have to move the camera forward. Let's go back to the target again and adjust it. We have to constantly go back and forward between the camera and the target. Later on, we'll place some trees along the spline to frame the composition. I will move the camera a bit to the left so I can see a bit more side of the building. I will enable depth of field and set the f-stop to 8. This way, pretty much everything is in focus, but we'll have a really subtle effect. Then maybe I will change the focal length to 21 to push in the view a little bit. I will do some final adjustments. We are done.